Did you know that India is not just a consumer of military technology, but is also emerging as a significant player in its development and export? Transformation is reshaping our defense landscape and positioning India as a global powerhouse in military innovation. Let's talk about the shift from Make in India to Design in India. This change signifies a move beyond mere assembly of foreign technology to creating our own cutting edge solutions. The Indian government has set ambitious goals for homegrown stealth fighter jets and drone fleets. Projects like the HAL Tejas and the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft are not just dreams, they are becoming reality. These aircraft are designed to meet the unique needs of our defense forces while showcasing our engineering capabilities on a global stage. Moreover, the rise of aviation startups is a game changer. These young companies are bringing fresh ideas and innovative technologies to the defense sector. They are developing everything from advanced drones for surveillance to sophisticated software for military applications. This influx of talent and creativity is crucial for fostering a culture of innovation that can compete with established global players. India's growing defense exports are also making waves internationally. Countries that once relied solely on Western military technology are now looking towards India for their defense needs. This not only strengthens our economy but also enhances our geopolitical standing. As we export more military equipment, we are not just selling products, we are building strategic partnerships that can lead to greater collaboration in various fields. The implications of this defense revolution are profound. It means more jobs in high tech sectors, increased investment in research and development, and a future where India is not just a participant but a leader in global defense technology. The future of warfare is evolving, and technology is at the forefront. With advancements in artificial intelligence, robotics, and cybersecurity, the nature of conflict is changing. India's focus on developing these technologies is essential for ensuring our national security and maintaining our sovereignty. So, can India become a global leader in defense tech? The potential is certainly there. With the right investments, policies, and a commitment to innovation, we can transform our defense sector into a thriving industry that not only protects our nation but also contributes significantly to the global military landscape. The journey is just beginning, and the possibilities are endless.